Hello mga viewers, nandito tayo ngayon. Maganda, itong isa sa mga ating mga kausap ngayon, may interview ay isa sa mga talagang masasabi natin isa sa legend din dito sa Niagara. Siya ay isa sa mga actor, film, plays, theater plays, commercial, and also napabilang din siya sa mga singing concert. So talagang kilala rin siya dito, isa sa mga kilala dito sa Niagara Falls. Walang iba kundi si Ray Baker. Hello Ray, kumusta?
Kumusta?
Okay. Actually si Sir Ray, isa siya sa mga talagang looks like medyo malalim yung English natin dito. Talagang mapapalaban ako ng English. As I hope my nose will not bleed. So we will see. So anyway, Ray, actually naririnig ko na talagang yung pangalan mo before talagang sinasabi nila isa sa mga naging part ng show na mga commercial at napa-include ka rin sa mga show with Jim Carrey, right?
Yeah. I did a film with Jim Carrey in Toronto in early 80s. I moved to Canada in 82.
Wow.
And I think it's 84, 85. I did a film in Toronto with Jim Carrey. Yeah.
So do you still remember what the title of that film?
It's called Scandal. It's a made for TV movie.
Okay.
It was done for First Choice.
Wow.
Yeah,
that's good.
That was when they were starting to do film.
And also Ray, yung mga that time na maybe that time na may marami ka mga gigs and then schedule appointment in terms of like in the filming, in the commercials. So ano yung mga commercial na nagawa mo, experience mo?
I did one for Laro 649, OLG, and Kellogg, and one for Continental Airlines.
Wow.
This was principal roles.
Wow.
But before that, I did some extras work as well. Yeah. Okay. Yes. That was before I would become unionized. Before I become an ACTRA member, I was doing extras, background work, and then when I become a union member, then I was able to get some principal roles in commercials and movies.
Actually, I was curious about that in your experience, because you're saying that you started in the commercial and then so on until you got it here, right?
Yeah.
I'm just curious about how did you start it? How did you become part of this, like a commercial TV shows?
Well, actually, 1980 when I was cast in a stage musical.
Wow.
It's called Maine in Orlando, Florida.
Like
wow. Where I had to sing and act. And then when I moved to Canada, when my family moved to Canada, then I was able to do some film and television work. And first I got my union card with Equity, which is the stage union.
Yeah.
And then when I got Equity, I become ACTRA member, and that's when I was able to do more film work.
That's a wonderful experience.
Because it's kind of hard to get a good role unless you're in the union.
Yeah. Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah.
I see. And until now, are you still doing that?
Sort of retired now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That was when I live in Toronto, where all the filming are happening. But now that I move in the Niagara region, I'm just doing concert and some stage work.
Well, that's good, because that days, I think that was talagang matagal na, no? It's like how many years did you've been playing in the theater under the filming?
1980.
Wow.
When I started.
1980.
Yeah, and then
you moved here in Niagara
in 82.
82. Oh,
and then from 82 to the present, doing
Yeah, on and off, like
on and off stage and film and commercial.
Wow, that's a good experience talaga yung mga mga that time yan.
But singing, I just started doing that when I was asked by Bangka Production.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. How did you align in this Bangka? How did they discover you to be part of Bangka?
I think I don't know, somebody saw me performing, singing in some of the Filipino events like the FCAN, and they approached me.
Yeah, they invited you to sing in the Bangka.
That's
wow,
right.
That's good. That was the last time that you part of the concert.
Yes,
Bangka,
that
right?
was last year.
Last year, their Spotlight, right?
Correct.
Oh, that was successful. There's so many people guests watching in your concert on that time, the event, right?
Yeah, that was.
Yeah, what is how do you feel that you're part of that too?
I feel I heard good.
You sang a modern song, right?
Yes, it was very unexpected to see my age singing contemporary one. Yeah. Buwan. It's called Buwan. And it's also Tagalog.
Yeah, Tagalog song. Yeah. It's good that you can sing still Tagalog song.
Oh yeah. Yes, I can do.
Oh, that's nice.
I can still speak Tagalog.
Wow.
Although they call it Pilipit.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Anyway, aside of that, now you are still a part of the Bangka Canada production, right?
That's right.
So you have upcoming shows.
Yes, we are.
Yeah,
and we are.
This is the one that you're talking about.
That's the one. That's the one.
Yeah. So July 21st.
That's right.
So you're also part with playing with Henry Bustos, Lisa, and Shekinah, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. So what are those excited here? Like the viewers can wait to see this one. What are those the thing that you can share with our viewers?
They're gonna have laughter. Right? They can have fun. Some of the songs that we're gonna do are really upbeat, and
they
some
can
are ballad. They can dance.
Yeah, dance.
Yes. Okay. And then they can laugh because I imagine
so
the featured
these two artists are gonna be fantastic.
Stand-up comic.
Funny night.
Yes. So come and see us.
Yeah, that's good. And anyway, aside of this, you have upcoming also event, right? In the October 12th for the.
That's correct. That's the Spotlight concert.
Yeah,
by
Spotlight concert.
Bangka Production.
Yeah. So that's good, Ray. Actually, I would like to congratulate you personally. Yeah.
Thank you.
Part of Bangka, and then the this event, like I was really excited to see this, and we see you again in the stage to playing with us and share your talents. Thank you so much.
Thank
Ray.
you.
Yeah.
Thank
you. Mga kapatid, supportan natin si Ray. And Ray, would you like to invite our viewers?
Yes.
For this July. Yeah.
For this, yes, I would like to invite you all to come and see this beautiful, wonderful production, and guarantee to make you laugh, to make you dance, and be happy with yourself.
Okay.
And food. Don't forget the food. We have food as well.
It's gonna be free.
And it's
free. Okay.
It's included.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. That's good. So thank you so much, Ray, for your time. And good luck to your show this coming July 21st and October 12th. Thank you so much. So hello mga viewers, salamat po sa inyo sa subaybay sa pag-subscribe sa TikTok ni Poklat at sa Bangka Canada Production. Maraming salamat. Shoutout nga pala muna natin ang mga taong sumusuporta sa ating shows, especially sa mga Panday Pira dyan at sa mga tropa dyan sa Pilipinas. Kay Ricky Gapo, maraming salamat sa iyo sa pag-support. Pare, kay MJ Freeman na taga Niagara Falls, kay Catherine, thank you so much. At sa mga iba pa dyan na nagpapa-shoutout. Hindi ko na maisa-isa pa sa sobrang dami. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sana hindi kayo magsawa sumuport. Thank you.